Welcome to EnglishScreen. Let's begin. The sun comes through the window. Tom opens his eyes. He looks at his clock. It is very early. The house is quiet. Tom has an idea. He wants to make breakfast for his dad. Dad always makes breakfast for the family. Today, Tom wants to do something nice. Tom walks to the kitchen. He moves very slowly. He does not want to make noise. He opens the refrigerator. The light inside is bright. He sees eggs. He sees milk. He sees butter. He sees a red apple. Tom thinks, I am making eggs and toast. He takes out the eggs. He takes out the butter. He puts a pan on the stove. He turns on the heat. He puts a little butter in the pan. The butter melts slowly. Tom cracks an egg. The egg goes into the pan. It makes a soft sound. He cracks another egg. The eggs look nice. Tom smiles. He feels happy. Now he needs bread. Tom thinks we need some bread for toast. He finds the bread on the counter. He puts 2 pieces of bread in the toaster. He pushes the button down. The bread goes down. The eggs are almost ready. Tom puts the eggs on a plate. The toast is not ready yet. He waits. He looks at the table. Something is missing. Tom thinks we need some juice. Tom opens the refrigerator again. He takes out a bottle of orange juice. He pours the juice into 2 glasses. 1 glass is for Dad. 1 glass is for Tom. The toast jumps up. It is a little dark. It is very dark. The toast is burned. Tom looks at the black toast. He is a little sad. He hears a sound. It is Dad. Dad walks into the kitchen. He sees Tom. He sees the eggs. He sees the juice. He sees the black toast. Tom looks at his dad. Tom says breakfast is ready. He points to the burned toast. He says, I am sorry. Dad smiles a big smile. He takes the black toast. He puts butter on it. He takes a bite. Dad says, this is the best breakfast. Tom laughs. Dad laughs. They sit together. They eat the eggs. They drink the juice. Dad eats all the toast. Tom feels very happy. The morning is good. The sun is brighter now. Tom looks at his dad. He is proud of his work. The kitchen smells like butter and eggs. A warm feeling fills the room. Tom thinks about the morning. He woke up very early. He walked to the kitchen alone. He made eggs all by himself. He poured the juice carefully. The toast was a small problem. But Dad did not care about the toast. Dad cared about Tom. Tom understands this now. He feels warm inside. Dad finishes his juice. He looks at Tom with kind eyes. Tom smiles again. This is a special morning. Tom will remember this breakfast.